If you want to make some money today, keep watching this video because I'm going to show you some websites and I'm going to show you some apps that you can use on your phone today and start making money. So I'm going to show you how to make at least $60 to $75 every single day for absolutely free. And by the time you watch this video, you can start to apply these methods and make sure that they work for you. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and multiple different ways how I can share methods with you so you can put some more money in your pocket. So if you like these type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on that bell notification because every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So keep watching this video all the way to the end. So as I said, I'm going to explain to you a few different sites and also some apps that you can use from your phone. So if you don't have a computer and you have a smartphone, this is going to be for you. So we're going to jump into the video right away. Let's do this. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to make some money for absolutely free, anywhere from like $60 to $75. When you accumulate all these websites, this is what you can bring in every single day. But it's going to take some work. So as long as you put in the work and you have some time, it is possible. So let's jump in right into the video. Everybody know what Microsoft is, and Microsoft is one of the biggest and the largest companies out there that you can get started right away. So you can come on here and you can sign up for absolutely free. As soon as you sign up, just come over here over this tab and then you hit the sign up tab. If you don't have already have a Hotmail account or an Outlook account, you could just go sign up for one. So what are we going to be doing here? So every time you come on here and let me click on this, let me show you. Once you click on here and you come over the Microsoft rewards, you're going to be earning points. So you can sign up for absolutely free. You can watch how it works. So that's how cool it is. So you can earn rewards. It's simple, it's easy, it's fun. And then once you get those things, you can cash out or you can buy other things online on Microsoft with the points that you've created. So I've already accumulated points already. I'm billing my points. So every time they'll send you like a survey inside of your email, and then you could do the quick surveys, or when you log in, they'll ask you to do some very, very simple tasks. So every time you complete it, they'll give you 20 points, they'll give you 30 points. Sometimes you get 100 points just for doing those simple little things. So you can redeem your gift cards. They have like some sweepstakes entries. There's nonprofit donations if that's what you want to do. Some people use it and donate it, and you don't have to donate it. You could take the money if you need it, and you can cash out once you're done. So search to earn. So each time you search on this particular platform, such as like Bing, if you search on Bing, every time you search, you're going to be earning 5 points. So that's good. So instead of using Google, just come on Microsoft Bing and you get 5 points every time you search. You'll earn 1 point per dollar every time you purchase something on here. And once you play to earn, so let's say if you start playing games, there's lots of things that you can do on here. You get daily offers, you get weekly quizzes, and you also get daily quizzes. So as I told you before, they consistently send that to me over and over again. The only difference is this is only available in the US and it doesn't available in Puerto Rico. But for most of you, keep watching this video because there's going to be something for you at the end of this video. Now, the next place that I'm talking about, or website, or I should say app, you could download this app on your phone. It is featurepoints.com. So if you go on featurepoints.com from your computer, or you want to go directly from your phone, but from your phone, it's going to be way more easier. And that's how you can start earning money today just by completing surveys. So there's some small surveys, you get cash back, and you sign up, it's absolutely free. If you look on the Apple, once you download Apple, if you look on here, there's the ratings is good, like 4.5, 4.3 out of 5. That's huge. So people are getting their money. Some people cannot get payout. This was in last year, but you can also check like the recent comments and reviews that people are doing. So if you have an iPhone or if you have an iPad, you could just put it on your iPad and you could do surveys. So lots of surveys you can do. You can come on over to Google Play. If you have an Android phone, download Android. It's a 4.3 on Android as well. So come on here and you can see how it actually works. So it's not rocket science. They've been around since 2012. They reward over $5 million. That's huge. And they also do contests as well. So you can like scratch and win like 50,000 points. And it's only available in like iOS and Android, of course. So complete surveys, you earn cash back every time you make purchases at these stores. And these stores, you get cash back like Forever 21, Best Buy, all that stuff. Once you're done, you can redeem your points through your PayPal account in your App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Bitcoin as well, which is huge. So if you have Bitcoin, you can redeem that into your Bitcoin. So come on here, sign up for it. That's Feature Points, and get started right away. Now, the next website or app that I wanted to share with you is an app that's called Dosh. Dosh is still paying. It's been hot last year, and it's hot. It's very hot this year because people are using it over and over again because you can get automatic cash back. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is connect a secure card, whether it's a credit or a debit card. And every time you pay, let's say you go to the supermarket, you buy gas, you do all that stuff, it's going to give you money. And how you can even maximize your results and you can earn more money, every time you refer a friend, you're going to get $5. So instantly, if you don't even want to use this thing and you just want to refer people, every person that signs up, you get $5 as long as they're verified. So if you get 10 people, that's $50. If you get 20 people, that's $100 in a day. So if I were you, I would start, reaching out to family, friends, and say, hey, you want to sign up for this app? It's called Dosh. And you could transfer the money to your PayPal account. You could donate it if you want, or to your bank accounts, which is awesome. So check out Dosh. It's great. A lot of people are using it and making money with it. So jump on it right now and get started. Here's another great place that you can go. You can either download this on your app or you can access it from your tablet or from your phone. So how are you going to be able to make $60 to $75 today for free? You can get started just by signing up for this. So this is SurveyMonkey. It's all about surveys. So you could sign up. Just click on this tab right here where it says sign up, and you put your username on here, put your password, email address, put your first name, put your last name, you create an account. This has been BB credited. It's McAfee secured. So it is a great recommended place because most people use it. I've heard people use it all the time, and it's SurveyMonkey. And if you look down here, there's Woohoo, there's Audience, there's SurveyMonkeys. These are some other places that you can sign up for as well. So know your score for your customers, create a survey. These are some of the things that people do. Is large companies come on here and they want people to give them reviews on websites, different apps, and all that. So if you can come on here and you can give great reviews, that's it. That's all that you're doing surveys. And once you do the surveys, then you're going to be getting paid. Now, this one is an app. It's called App Trailers. You can download it on your phone, right? Download it on your phone and you can get started. So it's a 4.2. There's some ratings over here. You can feel free to check it out. So this one, all you do is watch movies. So you're getting paid to just watch movies on your device. As you can see, I'm using my computer. So it's telling me right now that this app is compatible. Oh, it is compatible with my device. So I can install it onto my computer. I can also do it from my phone. So if you have a phone, you could do that as well. If you have a tablet, and you can get started. So watch movies, you start earning points. So each one of these that I recommend to you, you can get paid, and that money will accumulate. So you're not just going to do one particular website unless you do Dosh. Every time you refer somebody, you make $5. This one, I highly recommend this one. You could just start signing up people left, right, and center. Just keep signing people up. As soon as somebody wants to sign up for something, you say, hey, I got this great app. You can see what I'm doing, and you get started. But here's the problem with all these surveys and all these apps that you can sign up for. They don't pay as much money as they supposed to. And I'm not gonna lie, it's very time consuming. I used to do surveys as well at one point, and I use surveys because I want to use it to put money in my ads and do all those type of things, right? So I put money every time I make money. I used to do it on ads, but at one point it was getting so frustrated that I just said, you know what, I needed to find something else to do and invest my time, because at that time I had a program going on. I didn't have the money to invest at the time. So I didn't have money to go on ads. So I used to do those little things until I said, you know what, I'm just going to use free method and just grind it out until I start making money to put into my ads. So that's what I did. And it is great in the beginning, but after a while, it's just frustrating. So if you want to learn how to be able to do ads, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, all that type of stuff, and learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. See the video that I'm talking about. If you like it, hey, get on board. And if you don't, I wish you nothing but the best. So I appreciate you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll talk soon. See you on the next video. Peace.